Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's my lecture is about role of vitamin A and night blindness. At first, role of vitamin A in the formation of rhodopsin. Vitamin A is present both in cytoplasm of rods and pigment layer of retina, normally always available to form new retinal when needed. Conversely, when there is excess retinal in retina, it is converted back into vitamin A and reducing the amount of light-sensitive pigment in retina. Interconversion between retinal and vitamin A is especially important in long-term adaptation of retina to different light intensities. This is by conversion of all-trans retinal first into all-trans retinol. Then all-trans retinol is converted into 11-cis retinol under the influence of enzyme isomerase. Finally, 11-cis retinol is converted into 11-cis retinal, which combine with scotopsin to form new rhodopsin. We know that vitamin A was the first fat-soluble vitamin and is composed of a family of compounds called retinoids. Deficiency of vitamin A is still a major public health problem in developing world, especially mostly children in underdeveloped countries. They lost their sight from severe vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency is due to inadequate intake of food high in vitamin A, that is liver, kidney, whole eggs, milk, cream, cheese, or beta carotene, which is a precursor of vitamin A, which is found in dark green leafy vegetables, yellow or orange fruits and vegetables. One of the earliest visual defects to appear with vitamin A deficiency is night blindness, which is also called nectalpia or defective dim light vision or defective scotopic vision. Vitamin A deficiency also contributes to blindness by causing the eye to become very dry, which damages the cornea and retina. Night blindness. It is defined as the loss of vision when light in the environment becomes dim. Night blindness occurs in a person when severe vitamin A deficiency, because without vitamin A, the amount of retinal and rhodopsin that can be formed severely depressed. The reason for this is that without vitamin A, not enough quantities of retinal to reform the rhodopsin, but in daytime cones can still be excited. This condition is called night blindness because the amount of light available at night is too little to permit adequate vision in vitamin A deficient persons. Causes of vitamin A: at first, diet containing less amount of vitamin A. Secondly, decreased absorption of vitamin A from intestine. Vitamin A first alter the rod functions, but concomitant cone degeneration occur as vitamin A deficiency developed. Prolonged deficiency is associated with anatomical change in rods and cones, followed by degeneration of neural layer of retina. So, retinal functions can be restored only if the treatment is given with vitamin A before the visual receptors start degenerating. For night blindness to occur, a person usually must remain on a vitamin A deficient diet for months, because large quantities of vitamin A are normally stored in liver and can be made available to eyes. Other vitamins, especially vitamin B complex, are also necessary for the normal functioning of retina and other neural tissues. Once the night blindness develop, it can sometimes be reversed in less than 1 hour by intravenous injection of vitamin A. This is the benefit of vitamin A's figure. Thank you for your patience sharing.